Malacanang claimed it is meticulously scrutinizing the proposed 2025 national budget before President Bongbong Marcos signs by the end of the year. Meanwhile, PBBM urged families to watch the films selected in the Metro Manila Film Festival this Christmas season. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa with the report.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and his cabinet members are thoroughly reviewing the 2025 national budget. In a statement, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said that this is to ensure that the General Appropriations Act or GAA conforms to the 1987 Constitution and focuses on the priority projects of the administration. Recently, PBBM committed to restore the 10 billion peso budget that was slashed from the proposed funding of the Department of Education. He emphasized that the proposal to cut 10 billion from the DepEd's computerization program was contrary to the policy direction of his administration. PBBM is set to sign the national budget for next year on Monday, December 30. Meantime, Marcos invited Filipinos to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Metro Manila Film Festival or MMFF.
Ang panahon ng Kapaskuhan ay panahon upang lalong magsama-sama at magmahalan ang bawat pamilya at ang bawat isa sa atin. Ngayong Kapaskuhan, bibidang muli ang mga kwento ng ating lahi dahil ito sa espesyal na selebrasyon na ika-50 taon ng Metro Manila Film Festival na bahagi na ng ating buhay at kultura bilang Pilipino.
He mentioned that this movie showcases the Filipino culture.
Ang mga magagandang pelikulang kalahok ngayon, ang Golden Year ng MMFF, ay siguradong magbibigay ng gintong saya at mag-iiwan ng mga ginintuang aral. Ang kilikin po natin ang kwentong Pilipino. Suportahan po natin ang Metro Manila Film Festival 2024. Isama ang buong pamilya, buong barkada, at panoorin ang 10 pelikula na handog ng MMFF. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.